My name is Brian Hodge, and I'm the manager of Knight's Company's fabrication shop. Currently, the guys are working on a back silo frame. That's the frame that holds up the silo and also holds up the conveyor that feeds and loads the concrete truck. We used to have to order a plant, and ordering something, well, you get in line for behind the next person that already ordered a plant. So you gotta wait, essentially wait your turn and then wait for it to be delivered. With building our own plants, we're on our time and on our schedule. We'll build the plant, we don't gotta wait on another person's plant being built. We'll build it, paint it, deliver it, and start sanding up. When I first started, we were down in the maintenance shop sharing a building with them, and it was a lot smaller. I think we had 4 or 5 guys in the shop doing repairs and nothing too special. And then we kind of started building our own ag bins and replacing bins that's been worn out. And with that capability, we've started growing into, well, what can we do next? And then we eventually moved down here, which is a bigger building. We got overhead cranes now that can allow us to do a lot more work. And we just kind of snowballed from there on, we built this, now we can build that. We just kind of grow with the capabilities. We used to not have the CNC machine, but we just recently, I think 8 months ago, got the CNC machine, and it saves a tremendous amount of time. We can program up a sheet that has 80-something plates on it and hit run, and within 2 hours, we're gonna have a bunch of plates cut. Currently in the fab shop, we're running, I believe it's 8 employees. Anywhere from level 1 welder up to the supervisor, and they all do a knockout job keeping the day-to-day tasks rolling. When we're not working on a plant, we're taking care of all the other plants, assisting plant maintenance and welding stuff that's cracked or worn out, needs to be replaced. We'll build replacement parts and plant maintenance will put it in. We also assist with the maintenance shop that takes care of the trucks. If they got a mixer that has a crack in the drum or they need a probe plate put in, we're the guys they call for that. As well as precast, we've built precast forms from scratch for precast, as well as repaired forms. It's a lot of pride to see how much we've grown and to know that we used to have to buy these plants, and now we're very self-efficient. We keep everything in-house that we can, to know that it can come from bare metal, run through this shop. These guys can put it together. We can send it off to paint, which is just next door. We can get it painted and shipped down the road, and it's all built by us by hand. I think we're going to obviously continue rolling down the road with building plants. I think the end goal is to ramp up the productivity of the plants. That's going to be a lot, and it's a big goal, but if we can ever reach that goal, it's going to be an accomplishment.